bus now, and we haven't slept at all because we've been trying to make it for this bus for Sault Ste. Marie, and I'm really out of it right now, so Laura, talk.
There's this guy over there, and he keeps circling, and it's really annoying. Anyways, so we're in the subway station, and we have to wait until 9 o'clock to catch the subway because that's when they open on Sundays. What a drag.
Yeah. So yeah.
Look at this.
It's so trippy.
It's so awesome.
Anyways, we're waiting for our train, and two have already passed, but they did not stop. They're apparently out of service, so I hope we're not going to be late.
Look, this guy's coming back again. He's creepishly walking around and around. Oh, here he comes again. It's like there's a pattern to his walk. Oh, look at her purse, look at her purse.
Oh, I'm scared he's going to take us.
Here comes a train. It's not ours. Girl, that was windy as hell.
It's actually really nice out today.
How come theirs is stopping but ours isn't?